Hello everyone, my name is Alsen and welcome to my channel Anally. And today I'm not doing some playing video games or something, but right now I'm gonna doing some presentation about the Statue of Unity. Okay, so I'm gonna explain it first. So what is the Statue of Unity? The Statue of Unity is the largest statue in the world after the Buddhist Spring Temple in China. The height of this statue is around 182 meters, or we can call it 597 feet tall, and it was made in Kevadia, India. If you go there and you're gonna see the character from the statue, and the character of this statue is the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I don't know how to pronounce correctly that name, but yeah, and he was the first Home Minister of Independent India. The inside of the Statue of Unity, there's so many things we can see, like a museum, research center, 3-star hotel, and shopping center. Alright, I'm gonna talking about the designer. The designer of the Statue of Unity, it was designed by Indian sculptor called Ramvi Sutar, and it was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. The purpose of this statue is actually for a symbol for tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that the person I talked before, and he was a key figure in India for a struggle independence and the country's first deputy prime minister after unite 565 princely state. Okay, we're gonna talking about the history. The first, Narendra Modi announced the project on 7 October 2013 to mark the beginning of his 10 years as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and a society name called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust was formed under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Gujarat to execute the project. The Statue of Unity movement was started in around 213 to collect the iron need for the statue by asking the farmers to donate their used farming instrument. By 216 years, a total of 135 metric tons of scrap iron had been collected, and about 109 tons of it was used to make the foundation of the statue after processing. A marathon type run for Unity was held on 15 December 2013 in Surat and Vadodara in support of the project. And maybe you want to see the progress. The progress is actually, yeah, this is the before, this is the, maybe in the processing, this is the processing, and this is the after of process. And yeah, it was really large and it was beautiful. If you compare the another biggest statue in the world, as you can see, this is the Statue of Unity, and the other is, I don't know, this Spring Temple, Buddha, Guanyin of Nanshan, Statue of Liberty, the Motherland Coast Russia, and the Christ Redeemer in Brazil. Yeah, the Statue of Unity is really tall. Alright guys, that's my presentation about Statue of Unity, and thank you for my friends who make the material for this presentation. Yeah, me and my friend who made it. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you for watching guys, and see you.